Today we're going to be answering the age-old question of how to prevent a Discord raid. For some context, a Discord raid is when a group of people raid a Discord server by spam pinging owners, roles such as at everyone and at here, and doing ruckus such as spamming, that kind of thing. Now, obviously, Discord has preventions in place by making people be members for longer than a certain period of time, but those only go so far, which is why I would recommend using Lockbot. Lockbot is a Discord bot with over 2,000 overall Discord users, and we're in over 12,600 Discord servers. Lockbot is just an amazing bot, especially for preventing raids, locking down servers for maintenance, that kind of thing. I personally started off as just another person who used the bot, and over time I became a staff member because I actually use this bot a lot, and it's actually really good for public servers specifically. Now, if you want to invite the bot, you can join by either the direct bot invite link that will be in the description below, or the top.gg Discord bot page, which will also be linked below. And to invite, you can just hit this invite button. This will pop up. You have to select a server, authorize it. It's pretty easy. Once you have it, there is a series of commands, but today we're going to be focusing on the best way to prevent a raid in your Discord server, which is going to be M mode. M mode is a feature that locks every single channel in your Discord server for the @everyone role. If you have other roles that are automatically given to players, not players, but to new members, basically, then this won't work. You have to change that so that way they don't automatically get a role, because this only changes it for the @everyone role. Now, to run it, all you have to do is type .mmode. If you change the prefix already, then it's obviously whatever prefix you have set for it. I'll be making a separate video on how to change the prefix for Lockbot, but for now, we're going to be using the standard Lockbot prefix, which is a dot. So after typing .mmode, you have to confirm it by typing yes, which is case sensitive, in a certain period of time. As you can see here, there's a little disclaimer. This command will use the @everyone role. And as you can see, there's about 11-second timer. And if you don't do it within 11 seconds, it will obviously cancel automatically to prevent, something from happening in case you had second thoughts. Now, we're actually going to be using this. So once again, we're going to type M mode, and capital Y, lowercase es, which is case sensitive. And as you can see, maintenance mode is going to load for us. So just give it a couple of seconds. It takes under 2 minutes, but obviously that changes depending on how many channels you have in your server. In this server, we have under 10. And as you can see, the loading has completed. Maintenance mode is now active. To deactivate, use munlock, and we will be doing that in a minute. There's also a maintenance channel that automatically is created because all of these channels are now locked for everyone, as you can see by the little lock icon. And obviously, once again, this is just for the @everyone role. Now, a disclaimer that is noted before you actually use maintenance mode: this can only work for up to 45 channels. This is because of issues with Discord and lag and things like that. And we set a maximum amount of servers, so that way the bot wouldn't continually crash, because this is our most used command. So now, let's say you've stopped the raid, you've banned the users, you've kicked them, you've done whatever to fix a server. Maybe you were just doing edits to a channel or all of the channels, you were changing something. Whatever you were doing to undo it, just type whatever the prefix is in your server. In this case, the normal prefix is a dot, m-mode, and the number 1. Now, there's different options, as you can see. Maintenance mode is already active. We're going to be using munlock. Sorry, I just mistyped that. That's my apologies. But as you can see, there's 3 different versions. There is unlocking all the channels that you just locked, unlocking via categories if you only want to unlock a certain category, or unlocking a specific channel. Like, let's say you wanted to unlock a staff channel or something like that. You can unlock one specific channel. But in this case, we're going to be using the most common one, which is munlock1, which unlocks every single channel. Now, before we do that, just to show you how it has locked the channel, as you can see here, the permissions for everyone were the neutral, which allows people to obviously read and send messages, but now the read messages is off, so people can't see the channel. This is a bad example for this server, but this is just where I do my commands. In your public server, only you and anyone with administrator permissions, or permissions that are above or bypass the @everyone rule would be able to see that channel. Now we're going to be unlocking all of them right here. It does take up to 3 minutes depending on how many channels you have. We only have under 10, so it won't take that long. In fact, we only have 11. So it's going to unlock all of the 11 channels that we have, as you can see. Unlock successful. Some channels may be updating. As you can see right here, though, all of the lock icons that were on the channels have gone away. And if you check back on bot commands, the permissions are back to read messages, which is allowing everyone with the @everyone role to see the channel, send messages, read messages. If you change your permissions or tamper with something while M mode is activated, when it unlocks the channel, something may go wrong. If you have problems, I would recommend joining the support server, which you can do by typing .info, and the join the official server is right there. You click that link and it will take you to the official Lockbot support channel in the announcements. I'm already in the server, but if you weren't, it would prompt you, just like anytime you were joining a Discord server, it'd be like, blah, 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 number of users, and then there'd be a join button. You hit join, and boom. If you're going to ask for support specifically, we have our own support area. Please don't use general. That's just for normal talking. But we have a support channel, a quick support, suggestions, as well as bug reports. But that's basically how to unlock and lock an entire server, especially during a raid. So this will hopefully for you prevent raids in your server in the future. I hope this helps everyone out there and answers questions about maintenance mode for Lockbot. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys later.